Did you know that Yale University Library subscribes to over 1,000 databases? Though you can find databases using Google, Google will often not connect you to Yale Library's subscription, which can result in a paywall. In this video, you will learn how to find databases through Quicksearch, Yale Library's unified search and discovery system. Start at the library website, library.yale.edu. If you're working from off-campus, be sure to authenticate with your NetID and password when prompted, since it's often the only way to access restricted and licensed e-resources. See our other video on off-campus access for more information. From the library website, navigate to the menu heading Find, Request, and Use, and select Databases. Here, we're searching the Quicksearch database option, where you can identify a database by title, keyword, or subject, as well as browse all available databases using an A to Z list. First, let's say you're looking for a database related to art. The drop-down options All Fields indicates a keyword search and will return database results where your term appears in either the title or description. From this search, there are over 100 databases connected to art. To make your search more specific, you can modify your search term to subject using the drop-down menu. Your search will now only return results where your term is associated as a subject. By using the same search term, art, we can see there are fewer but more specific results. Another option to find databases is directly through Quicksearch from the library homepage. Let's say you want to find the database Science Direct. Enter Science Direct in the search bar. Quicksearch will return results in a variety of formats, including databases. By selecting that option from this search, results include the primary Science Direct database as well as other related options. When you have identified a database for your research, select the record to view the detail page, where you can read more information about it. This page can also be helpful to identify any additional linked subjects related to your research. To access a database through Yale Library's subscription, select the link Online Database. By going through the library website in Quicksearch, you will see that access is provided by Yale University Library. Though there may be register and sign-in options, there is often no need to create an account to access database contents. If you have any questions, reach out to us at ask.library.yale.edu.